fold. You know, I know business owners that would have folded. They were like, whoa, what am I going to do? How am I going to pay all these people? And
headed to the top, there ain't none of y'all stopping me. Used to say I never get a ring, Charles Barkley. Now I got a wife, got kids, own property. Bubble-eyed beans that look like that be watching me. Okay, I lied about the beans, but that was hard though. I'm still in that black act, but she starred though. Cause that's all it takes. I'm flashing for. I'm on my grind, not no more fashion show.
Can you share some tips on how to get through that and just money management in general?
yeah, definitely. Well, what I did to get out of my situation, I filed bankruptcy on that company, and I started another business, and I moved all my clients over to the new LLC, and I just kept the party going. That's but in a situation like that, you can't fold. You know, I know business owners that would have folded. They were like, whoa, what am I going to do? How am I going to pay all these people? And, you know, but you can't fold. You got to stay strong. You got to keep going, and you got to do whatever you got to do. But one thing I won't do is go back to the way I was. You know, it could have been worse. I wasn't making no money, you know. So now that I've been through it, I'm happy I went through it. And managing my business better, the tips I would give is I have to strategically plan things out daily. I used to ride around with my credit cards and stuff on me. I don't do that no more. I leave all money at home in a safe, and I only take out a certain amount of money every day, because, you know, you're tempted to stop and buy things. You know, my biggest thing was food, because I have a big family. And imagine just stopping at Burger King and stopping at every day. You doing that every day? Child. I only take a certain amount out. So if you're hungry, you better wait till we get home. You can cook some food, you know. And I just had to start being more strict with my kids. I started to talk more to my family about finances and my financial situation. I want them to understand business. You know, I really need them to get in my head and understand how business is supposed to run, because apparently they didn't get it in the beginning or whatnot, but they're slowly beginning to understand now how business is supposed to be ran. But that was one of the main things that helped me out, AJ. I was just really strategic with my money spending habits. Like I'm very frugal right now. I don't spend a whole lot of money on food. We do more cooking now than ever. So
definitely. I appreciate that. Now, you mentioned your kids. So you're a single parent, 5 kids, and running the business. That is amazing. So we got to hear, like, how are you even doing it?
How am I doing it? Oh, God, I would say through the grace of God. I don't know how I'm doing it sometimes. But I just, like I said, I had to sit down and talk to my kids, man, about finances and the business more. You know what I mean? Instead of just winging everything, I had to really, really sit down with them and just talk to them and let them know, look, mommy we trying to get to 7 figures. We trying to get somewhere in life. You know, I'm trying to really, really build generational wealth for you guys. You know, if something happens to me, I want to have something to pass on to you so that you don't have to ever ask somebody for a job. You know, we have a company. There are companies out here that are 7-figure. They're making it. Why aren't we that company? You know, so I have those conversations. I try to drill it in my family's head every day. And they're beginning to slowly come around, and, you know, they're not in my pockets as much as they were in the beginning. I would say that, you know, they slowly begin to understand. And then I have to put them to work too.
Oh, you definitely. And other people too.
Yeah, I have to put them to work. So if they want something from me, they got to do a unit for it. You know, you got to work for it.
Absolutely. Now we always point out the struggle and how hard it might be for you to do that. But can you point out some of the benefits of being a single parent and also running a business?
The benefits would be, I would say, freedom. My freedom when you're working a job, you're not free. So just for instance, yesterday I was in a unit, I was doing an inspection, and school called me. You know, so I was able to stop doing what I'm doing and get back to it when I can get back to it, you know, go to the school, figure out what's going on with the school, and then come back to the unit and finish doing what I was doing, because the unit didn't have to be ready until the next day. So I could be really, really flexible. So that's one of the benefits, I would say. My freedom, I'm free, and my time, I can kind of, you know, schedule things the way I want to schedule it.
Thank you for watching my video, and make sure you hit that like button if you liked the video, because I know you did, and also hit subscribe, and right beside that subscribe button is going to be a notification bell. You gotta click that, because guess what? You never know when I'm gonna go live. As a matter of fact, I might go live right now, so make sure you hit that notification bell so you don't miss my videos, all right? And if you want to start or grow your business, check out cleanbiznetwork.com, all right? We have cleaning business starter kits. We have a lead generation service to help you grow your cleaning business, all type of stuff. And also, don't forget to download the Calculated Clean mobile app as well, all right? So that's what I got for y'all until you click another video and go watch, man. Watch another video, why not? Binge on it.